This is our first experience with the jumper. Oh, we might have to adjust it. It might be a little tall.
Close. Get that foot down.
Might be just a little tall. Oh, it's actually perfect.
Doesn't know what to do.
Might take her a few weeks.
What are you doing, Kendall? What is that? Pretty cool, huh? It's pretty cool.
Hi. You're just gonna sit in it, huh? One-footed. Just took a bug on me, sorry. Leg. I got a leg kicking. Yeah, we need to lengthen it, maybe like half an inch.
Chop it down some.
Kendall!
Kendall, mommy, look at mommy.
Alright, well, super eventful.